Hi guys, Mrs. Lyle here. Today I'm making this video to show you how to use your Google Classroom, where to find your assignments, and how to turn assignments in. So I have I put my daughter in the class just so I could kind of show you the student side of it. So we are going to look at it from Braylon's view, from what she would see. So when you go to the classroom page, remember you can always come click on the square of squares, choose Classroom, and that will bring you right here. Okay, so you should have two classrooms in yours though. You should have math and science with me and then fourth grade ELA with Mrs. Poole. So go ahead and click on math and science. All right, now there's a couple different things I want you to know. On the stream right here, this is where Mrs. Poole or I might post announcements like we have a meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m. or we might ask a question that we want you guys to comment on. But this is not where you find your assignments. To find anything that we want you to do for the day, you're going to come over to classwork. So it's right up here after stream. Okay, now there's a couple things you need to look at. Over here on the left-hand side, it shows all the topics. So since I teach math and science, I have two topics. I have math and science. You're going to need to check both topics for me every single day and see what I have assigned for you each day. It'll always be labeled by the date. So the first one we're going to look at is just August 11th. So I'm going to work on math first. So when you look over here, I like to actually just click on math, so that's all I see. So math is going to show what I have for today, August 11th. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, now will have the instructions here for you. So it says watch the video about turning in assignments. That's what I'm making right now. So that'll be attached whenever you are looking at this. Then it says to open Google Slides and answer all questions. And then you'll turn it in when you're done. Now over here, this is the your work part. So anything I want you to complete will be attached right here. So it's really cool on the Google Slides. When I share it with you, it creates your copy with your name on it. So since this is Braylon's Google Classroom, it says Braylon Blyle, all about me. Now there's, let's see, I think 9 slides here. So you're going to go through each slide, read the instructions, and do what you are asked to do. So on this first one, it says type your answer into each slide to help me learn a little bit more about you. When you finish, be sure to turn it in. Okay, so here's the first one that you're going to type in. It says, hello, my full name is, so if I was typing like Braylon, I would say my full name is Braylon Blyle. I like to be called Braylon. If you have a different nickname that you want me to call you or something that your family calls you or you go by your middle name, just write it here so I know what you prefer to be called. And then there's a few other questions. They're all pretty easy. The next one that I want you to answer is something that I really want, something that I really want Mrs. Blyle to know about me is, and then you'll type that in, okay? So you'll go through, do all of that, and then at the very end, just because you completed them all doesn't mean you're done. You have to turn it in on Google Classroom, okay? I won't see it until you push the turn in button. So to do that, you're gonna look up top. You have 2 tabs. Whenever you open this up, it opened up a brand new tab. But if you go back to this August 11th, it brings you back to the original assignment. So if you've done everything you need to do and you're ready to turn it in, you just press this turn in button. Okay, and it says one attachment will be submitted for August 11th. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and press turn in. It takes a second to turn in. And then it'll say that your work was turned in if you look right up there. Now, let's say you made a mistake. You accidentally turned it in before you wanted to. You can always go right here and unsubmit it. That's going to bring it back so that I don't see it anymore. Okay, so the only way I can see it is once it's turned in. All right, so let's go back. I'm just going to press this back button up here in the corner. Maybe. Internet's being slow. Okay, may I press it again. So now if you look on the math, it says turned in. So I know I am done. Okay, then you're going to go to science, click on it. Now this one looks a little different. You're going to do the form. Let's go ahead and just click on the whole thing. Okay, you'll complete the form, but this one, there's nothing to attach. You're just going to mark as done. Okay, which is fine. As long as you did it, just make sure you've done everything before you turn it in. Okay, all right, that's it for today. Hope y'all are having an awesome day. I will talk to you soon.